and weaklings. Today is a very special day at Total Restoration where we find out who the strongest man is and who the strongest woman is. So today we will be doing the AirMoverToss. There will be 2 winners, 1 male and 1 female. Downstairs we actually have areas that are taped off where you'll stand to throw your air mover. If you cross that line, you are disqualified. Also, the measurement is based off where the air mover lands, not where it rolls. Judges, aka me and Marge, will be determining where to mark. Please head down and form 2 lines, 1 male line and 1 female line, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Kapow! Don't forget, you get prizes. Muscle milk. The men get this awesome t-shirt, muscle shirt. The women also get I don't sweat, I sparkle, as you can see. And gift cards. 1 for each winner.